how to make your own wool-wrapped Christmas decorations craft. You will need jar lids or circles cut from thick cardboard, wool, scissors, sticky tape, yellow or gold paper, glue, and gold pipe cleaners or string. Firstly, either use your jar lid or cut circles from card. Cut long pieces of wool and wrap these around the lid or cardboard. To make it easier for younger children, stick one end on the back of the lid or card circle with sticky tape. Next, cut a rectangle from your yellow or gold paper and stick it at the top of your circle. Finally, either use half of a golden pipe cleaner or some string, fold it over to form a loop and twist the ends together. Stick the twisted part to the back of the yellow triangle. Now you can hang your wool-wrapped Christmas decoration. We have a lovely set of printable instructions for this activity available on the Twinkl website, which includes templates for making your card circles. Available for free for South African customers on the 5th of December 2022. Mark your calendars.